Picture this: icy moons, hidden oceans, and potentially life-giving chemicals shooting out into space. Welcome to Saturn's mysterious moons, Enceladus and Titan, two celestial bodies that have more secrets than your average detective novel. Let's dive into the video. Enceladus, the moon that sprays. Enceladus, Saturn's icy moon, isn't just sitting pretty in space. It's actively spraying water vapor and ice into the cosmos. These massive geysers erupt from cracks in its icy shell, particularly at the South Pole, creating a dramatic show that can be seen from space. Thanks to NASA's Cassini spacecraft, we've had the privilege of witnessing these spectacles, which reveal much about what lies beneath Enceladus's frozen surface. Recently, the James Webb Space Telescope spotted the biggest plume yet, one that stretches over 6,000 miles. To put that into perspective, that's roughly the distance from New York to Tokyo, making Enceladus a bit of an overachiever when it comes to interplanetary waterworks. And while these plumes are visually stunning, they're also scientifically invaluable, containing samples from Enceladus's hidden ocean. These are not just plumes of water. They are messages from the moon's interior, hinting at what might be brewing beneath all that ice. The phosphorus surprise. If you think water plumes are cool, hold on to your helmet. Scientists have discovered phosphorus in the water spewing out of Enceladus. Phosphorus is a key building block for life, essential for DNA, RNA, and energy transfer in cells. Without phosphorus, life as we know it simply wouldn't exist, making this discovery a monumental leap in the search for extraterrestrial life. The presence of phosphorus in Enceladus's subsurface ocean suggests that this moon has all the essential ingredients for life. But this isn't just about finding one lonely molecule. Researchers discovered that the concentration of phosphorus is at least 100 times higher than in Earth's oceans, making Enceladus's ocean potentially more habitable than our own. If this moon had a tighter profile, potential for extraterrestrial life would definitely be in the bio, with a location set to under 62 miles of ice. But totally worth it. An alkaline ocean under ice. Beneath Enceladus's icy crust lies an alkaline ocean, rich in sodium phosphates. But this isn't your typical seawater. This ocean interacts with the moon's rocky core, creating a unique geochemical environment that's conducive to life, or at least to the chemistry that life needs to get started. The presence of an alkaline ocean suggests that Enceladus's interior is far more dynamic than anyone previously imagined. This ocean isn't just sitting there. It's in constant interaction with the moon's rocky bed, creating the conditions necessary for life to possibly emerge. Scientists believe that this geochemical activity could make Enceladus's ocean even more habitable than Earth's, especially when combined with the high levels of phosphorus. Imagine an entire ecosystem thriving beneath layers of ice, sustained by a combination of chemical interactions that might mirror some of the processes that sustain life on Earth. If this sounds like science fiction, you're not alone, but the science is very real and the implications are mind-blowing. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, and its magic islands. While Enceladus gets a lot of attention, Titan isn't far behind. Titan is Saturn's largest moon, and it's a world of its own, complete with lakes and seas, except they're filled with liquid methane and ethane. Recent studies have even suggested that Titan's seas might have floating magic islands. These islands are thought to be chunks of porous ice that occasionally bob to the surface, then sink back down. It's like an eerie alien version of Earth's icebergs, except instead of bobbing in water, they're floating in methane. Scientists believe that these magic islands could be key to understanding Titan's complex geology and climate. These islands may not be magical in the literal sense, but they're certainly mysterious, raising questions about how Titan's lakes and seas behave and what kind of processes are at work beneath their surfaces. And let's not forget, Titan's lakes are smooth, eerily smooth, in fact, adding another layer of intrigue to this already bizarre moon. Methane lakes, where it rains methane. Speaking of those seas, Titan is a place where it literally rains methane. You heard that right, methane. The moon's thick atmosphere and freezing temperatures create a bizarre cycle of liquid methane, similar to Earth's water cycle. Imagine living in a place where instead of water, you're dodging methane raindrops. That's Titan for you. The presence of methane lakes and rain points to a unique and complex climate system, unlike anything we see on Earth. And if the floating magic islands weren't odd enough, this unique weather system adds another layer of intrigue. Titan's methane cycle is more than just a curiosity, it's a window into how planetary atmospheres and climates can evolve in radically different environments. The more we learn about Titan, the more it challenges our understanding of what a moon can be. It's a world where the familiar is turned on its head, where lakes are made of methane and rain doesn't bring relief, but a flammable liquid. Alien life? Maybe. Both Enceladus and Titan have intrigued scientists for years as potential havens for alien life. The discovery of phosphorus on Enceladus has made it a frontrunner in this cosmic race. On Titan, the presence of complex organic molecules adds to the speculation. Although Titan's atmosphere is incredibly dense and frigid, its chemistry is strikingly similar to what we think early Earth might have been like before life took hold. Could life be lurking beneath Titan's clouds or in Enceladus's hidden ocean? The possibility is tantalizing, and scientists are eager to find out. However, while Enceladus seems to be the better bet for liquid water-based life, Titan offers a fascinating alternative with its complex hydrocarbons. Perhaps life could evolve in ways we can barely imagine, thriving in environments that would be deadly to us. The search for life beyond Earth is one of the most profound scientific endeavors of our time, and these moons are key players in that search. Who knows? The answer to "Are we alone?" might be lurking in Saturn's neighborhood. Cassini, the super sleuth of space. Much of what we know about Enceladus and Titan comes from NASA's Cassini mission, which orbited Saturn from 2004 to 2017. Cassini was the ultimate space detective, uncovering secrets about these moons that we never could have imagined. From revealing Enceladus's water plumes to mapping Titan's methane lakes, Cassini transformed our understanding of these worlds. The spacecraft didn't just observe these moons, it actively sampled their environments, diving through Enceladus's plumes and flying over Titan's surface to gather crucial data. And even though the mission ended, scientists are still combing through the treasure trove of data Cassini sent back. The legacy of Cassini lives on, as its findings continue to inform new research and inspire future missions. Cassini was more than just a spacecraft, it was a trailblazer, showing us just how much there is to discover in our solar system. And now, as we dream of returning to these icy moons, we have Cassini to thank for lighting the way. The need for a sequel. Return to Enceladus. Scientists are clamoring to return to Enceladus. After the discovery of phosphorus and organic compounds, the next logical step is to find out if life actually exists in that icy ocean. Proposals for future missions, like sending a probe to scoop up and analyze those tantalizing water plumes, are gaining momentum. The goal isn't just to sample the plumes again, but to get a closer look at the conditions beneath the surface. The prospect of finding microbial life, or at least the building blocks of life on Enceladus, has made it a top priority for space exploration in the coming decades. It's like a detective movie that ends on a cliffhanger. You need that sequel to find out what happens next. And with advances in technology, future missions to Enceladus could be more sophisticated, capable of detecting life in ways that were previously impossible. The excitement is palpable among scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Enceladus is the moon that keeps on giving, and everyone is eager for more. And that wraps up our deep dive into the mysteries of Enceladus and Titan, two of Saturn's most intriguing moons. If you found this cosmic journey as fascinating as I did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to ring the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest space adventures and updates. Thanks for watching, and stay curious, space enthusiasts.